Hey everyone, this is your girl Monique Nicole. This is your first time tuning in. Make sure you stop what you're doing and click that subscribe button. Also make sure you click that bell sign for that notification link. So today is 420 and I was highly you catch the point? Yeah, I'm corny. Okay, so I was highly inspired by the celebration of today. So if you don't know what 420 is, it's like the celebration of for all like weed / cannabis smokers. So yeah, so if you partake in this holiday every day, this one is for you. So let's get started.
So I'm already starting off with a base on my face. I already have my foundation and eyebrows already sculpted. So I'm actually just going to be going in with my green shadow from Maya Makeup. And I don't know the name of the colors. They just sent them randomly. So I would say use any green that you have. I went with like a 4 shimmer green, a mint green, and a neon lime green eyeshadow. So now I'm taking my Revolutions Cosmetic 32, I think it's 32 eyeshadow palette, and this is the natural colors. So I'm just taking like the darkest brown, and I am going to be working on the outside of my eye to create a smoky eye. So I decided to speed it up and just show you how it looks. So next I'm going to be going in with my first shade of shimmer green, and I'm just going to be working from the outer of my eyelids to the inner. So here I am working with this green, and then I'm going to be using the next shade of green as I get closer to the inside of my eyes. And last, I'm going to be using this pretty neon green. And I'm going to be using it underneath my waterline as well. So now that I have my eyeshadow base already on with all my beautiful colors, I'm just going to be taking some nail gems that I do not use. So I'm actually going to be using like these green stars. I know it's kind of hard to tell to see what it looks like. So I'm just going to be adhesing these on my eyes with like eyelash glue. I'm just going to be placing them on the outside, and I'm just placing them anywhere where I see fit on my eyes. Okay, now I have all the gems on my eyes, and it's turning out really pretty. Now I did put on my eyelashes, and as you can still see, some of the glue is trying to dry. So now I'm going to be using my Snazaroo black face paint, and I'm going to be using this as a lipstick. So this is going to be the base before I start actually doing my 420 friendly design. Now I do want to add, you can use a matte black, you know, kind of lipstick, but I wanted this to be a dry base so that it'll be easy to apply the art design. So now that my lips are dry, I'm just going to be using white face paint. I'm going to mix it in with a little bit of my neon eyeshadow. That is a really simple makeup trick that you can use instead of buying so many different types of, you know, face paint. Just use what you have to create the color blend that you are looking for. So now I'm taking a tiny small paintbrush, and I am carefully trying to map out on my lips how I want the, you know, weed leaf to look on my lips. So I really don't have like precise details. I'm just literally just hoping that it comes out right. Alright, so I totally messed up, so I had to start all over. So I had to wipe it off and paint my bottom lip black again. And sometimes I'm not aware that the camera does not pick up the bottom half because I'm so busy looking down at my mirror. So I want to say, yeah, sorry about that. So like, I'm just doing it once again, and I feel like it's coming out a lot better than how it was looking before. And as you can see, I scooted up because I realized it wasn't capturing the full design. All right, so here is the final look, and I was like, okay, all right, I'm gonna leave it there because y'all, I was like so panicking and I was getting tired. So now I am taking another eyeshadow palette that I have. This is by Sister Cosmetics, and I'm just taking like this purple base kind of pink, and I'm using it on my cheeks as the blush, and I am just going up. And now what I'm doing is I'm actually taking my blending, highlight, and I'm actually using one of the green shimmer eyeshadows to use it as my highlight, just to give this more of a green pop.
So hey y'all, this is my final look. This is my highly requested smoky green eye weed lip look. I'm pretty sure y'all caught the emphasis on the words that I was using because yes, I am corny. So if you do celebrate every day and not just today, shout out to you. Shout out to you. I'm not going to say, you know, post down in the comment section below because I don't want nobody to get fired from their job because, yeah, I want y'all to be like, Monique put me on blast. So, nope. So, yeah, I thought this was really cute. I feel like it was very appropriate for today for 420 friendly people. I would say I definitely do step out of my comfort zone with these themes. Everything that I do on my channel, I do for the first time. I don't like practice because I'm just like, I feel like the best creativity that you have is when you just do it right there on the spot because you never know what you're going to come up with. So I just want to walk in a little bit so that y'all can see my eyes. Don't mind my eyelash application. I'm not that good putting on strips, but hey, I still look cute. But I thought this was really cute. And y'all know me, I definitely try to use the materials that I do have around me. So these star gems are like actually nail designs that I don't actually use. And I feel like it was really appropriate to just use in this makeup tutorial look. So if you like this video, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. It doesn't matter what order, just make sure that you do it. Especially if you're 420 friendly. Hey friend, hi. So yes, but like I say at the end of all of my videos, make sure you stay positive and make sure that you stay beautiful. So, and most importantly, make sure you celebrate. Until then, bye. And if you want more details actually on this hair that I am wearing in this video, I will make sure that I will put the video to this hair review in the description box below.